Shadow. There's a Shadow. Hey, Shadow. I gotta tell you, Shadow's very, very tiny. He's a tiny little mini Rex. He's a little black mini Rex. Yeah, she's about, we're guessing 3 to 4 months old. He's not mature yet. He will be. He's going for his vet appointment on Friday. Come here, buddy. But the interesting thing about Shadow is, you know, he's already using his litter pan, and he's not even neutered yet. So he's a good boy. He lets us hold him. He lets us hold him, and he doesn't scratch. And he's good with the kids. He's very, very soft and pretty. We're lucky we got Shadow. We're lucky we saved you just in time there, mister. And we're hoping we can find Shadow a good home. It's going to make someone a great, great pet. Say bye-bye, Shadow. Bye-bye.